at Charc Shawarma in Mississauga, trying their crispy viral shawarma. I got the chicken and I got the lamb and veal. I'm gonna start with the lamb and veal, guys. I'm on the hunt to find the best shawarma out there. Let's give this a go. First bite. Mmm. Pickles inside of this. There's garlic sauce. And there's also fries, but I don't see any fries in here. I like the garlic sauce they have. And the pickles help with all the meatiness. This is the chicken. Mmm. Chicken shawarma is good. Definitely crunchy. I think I'm liking the chicken a little bit more than the veal and lamb. Mmm. The chicken hits. Oh, yeah. Look at that. This tomb adds a good touch to it for sure. I think the chicken is a better option. It's juicier, it's flavorful, and it's not dry compared to the veal and lamb. Oh, man. They pack the shawarmas with a lot of meat. Mmm. Get the garlic sauce. So, guys, overall thoughts on Charc Shawarma. It's good. I prefer the chicken, like I said, over the lamb and the veal. There's just a lot more flavors going on with the chicken. It's more juicy. It's more tender. There's more flavors. Charc Shawarma, 8.5 out of 10. I'd be back for the chicken version. Come check it out.